As you can see this morning, I'm up in the car. I was going to go to my physical therapy appointment today, but I'm just not feeling up to it. Physical therapy overall hasn't been too bad so far. The home stuff was pretty straightforward. Walk around the house, do a few standing up, sitting down, basically working on my legs. Right now, I'm completely frustrated at the lack of professionalism by the staff at the facility that I chose to do my outpatient physical therapy. Yesterday was my third visit to the physical therapy center that I chose. It's not the first time in my 3 limited visits that something has been said to me that I found to be unprofessional and inappropriate, which saddens me and frustrates me. As I've stated several times in these videos, my neck is not my only injury, not my only issue. I've never bothered to go fully into depth in my medical history, nor will I. But when I go to a facility and you ask me all the details of my medical history, and we go over it in depth, and you do your measurements and your stretches, and you understand, supposedly, the limitations of my physicality, and then you hand me off to someone else who doesn't even ask my name, let alone why I'm there or what limitations I may or may not have, and then makes comments to me about why are you even here, or your issues are because of your posture, or if you would just learn to sit right or do this right, then you wouldn't have these problems. I have scoliosis, I have degenerative disc disease, I have a few other issues happening with my person that do, I wouldn't say limit me, but they cause me some pain and discomfort with certain movements. And to have a physical therapist completely disregard that and basically tell me that I just need to do what she says regardless of whether or not I'm uncomfortable, frustrates me. And I just couldn't bring myself today to go in and be brutalized. Since I've done home health and occupational therapy and a little bit of PT with patients over the years, I understand that our goal is not to abuse, belittle our patients. I also understand that there will be some pain in physical therapy and some discomfort. But if a patient tells you that something that you're doing hurts, I also know it's time to back off, not keep pushing, and basically make the patient feel like they're somehow inadequate for not being able to do what you want. So this is my post for today, my rant at my displeasure at the complete disregard for the patient in the situation. As far as my neck, guys, it's doing great. Still have a little bit of that tightness that we've talked about, but 100% better than I was prior to my surgery. My voice is getting a little bit better day by day. Still have some issues with air, still get winded a bit, still can't hold a note to sing, so I am going to move forward with the procedure for the vocal cord, because it still isn't quite my normal voice. But that's today, off soapbox. Bye, y'all.